from Lidl Parkside Rotary Tool. It's a bit like a Dremel. Comes with a 4-meter cord. A good rate revolution per minute. Looks good. Up to 4,000 RPM. Beautiful. So let's dive in. Of course, you get your 3 years warranty from Lidl. Oops. Of course, you get the nice carrying handle, well, carrying case. I always like a nice little case like this. Keep everything all nice and dandy. So we've got 2 metal clips at top. Let's spin it round. I have taken the seal off just to save time. And let's see what we get. Oh, so it were a little bit more than I thought. So you get the machine itself, alter your speed, on and off. I gather it's brush this, so you can, that'll be to change the brushes. Little button here, so it locks. Yeah, that locks that in place. So you've got this and a nice big long cord. It's always nice to have a big long cord. Let's have a look at the accessories. Put this to the side. So you get a little bit more than I thought. Right. So here, so that's like a router where you go along and you can cut stuff out on the router. You get like a little tripod, so you can connect that to the table and then hang this, and then you use the cord, rotary cord. Let's get this out. So even this is quite a decent length, must be over 1 meter. So you screw that in and then it gives you like an extension and a bit of flexibility so you can get into places. So that's flexible with, so that spins round and then that makes that spins round. So you can get into hard to reach places, and you get a nice little kit with all the pieces in as well. Not loads, but it's enough to get you going anyway. So you've got some cutting discs here, some grinding discs, a bit of wire wool list, and 1 or 2 different other things. So yeah, that'll get you going anyway. I do a big set, but it's nearly as much as the product itself. I did buy the additional cutting set, so I've got some cutting to do. So I saw this, I think that were about £3 on its own. So I've got quite a few cutting discs here anyway, so I'll be all right anyway. So that looks fantastic for the money. This day and age, I bought it for £24.99 and in 2023. So that's quite a good price, I think. Let's quickly plug this in. Let's see it go in. So I'm still in the van. So let's have a look. We'll put it on minimum first. So that's just going round, as you can see, and faster. To the maximum speed. Turn it off. I'll see if I can quickly connect this. So, I don't know what I'm doing at the moment. So, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll have to read the instructions for this. Let's put a tool in. So of course you can put that in and then lock it like so. So there we go anyway. Little stand as well built onto it. Fantastic little bit of kit for the money from Lidl's. What more do you want if you want something like that? A little Dremel killer for the price. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Little slot on there. What a bit of kit for the money. Thanks a lot. Get buying.